If you want to learn how to present slides in Gamma app, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to open your presentation, launch presentation mode, and move through your slides like a pro. This is perfect for anyone using Gamma to create polished presentations for work, school, meetings, or content creation. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump to this side. Let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma presentation. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that the project you want to present is already loaded. Before you click anything, take a moment to check that all of your cards or slides are ready. This is important because presentation mode will show your content exactly as it appears, so you want to make sure the layout, text, images, and spacing all look good. Once everything is ready, look near the top of the screen for the Present button. This is the button that puts your Gamma project into presentation mode. Click Present and Gamma will switch your project into a clean, full viewing format designed for presenting. This is the mode you'll use whether you're presenting live to an audience or simply reviewing your slides on screen. Now that you're in presentation mode, you can move through the slides using your keyboard arrow keys or by clicking with your mouse. The arrow keys make it easy to go forward and backward one slide at a time, which is especially useful if you want a smoother, more controlled presentation. If you prefer, you can also use your mouse to advance through the content. Either way, Gamma makes it very simple to navigate. As you present, take your time and move through each slide or card at a natural pace. If your presentation includes multiple sections, you can pause briefly on each one to make sure your audience has time to follow along. Gamma's presentation view is designed to keep the focus on your content, so it feels clean, modern, and easy to read. If you ever want to leave presentation mode, just press Escape on your keyboard. That will exit the presentation view and bring you back to your editing workspace. This is useful if you want to make quick changes, check your formatting, or continue building out your deck after presenting. And that's really all there is to it. Open your Gamma presentation, make sure your cards are ready, click, present, use the arrow keys or mouse to move through the slides, and press X when you're finished. Gamma makes presenting simple, fast, and beginner friendly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.